Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you all are doing good. So today the topic of discussion is the root letters. So we have already discussed the sky letters and the grass letters. And the sky letters are those who are touching the first line, the grass letters are those who are touching the second line, and the root letters are those who are touching the fourth line. So in this picture, blue line shows the sky letters, green line shows the grass letters, and brown line shows the root letters. Okay, so we are going to find out the root letters today. So first of all, we are going to count the lines 1, 2, 3, and 4. So the first line is the sky line. The second and third line is the grass line, and the fourth line is the root line. So all those small case letters which are touching the fourth line are called the root letters. So the sky letters will be touching the blue line, the grass letters will be touching the green line, and root letters will be touching the brown line. Okay, to make it clear. So I have already written here that the blue line is the sky line, and green is the grass line, and brown is the root line. So I have written all the small case letters on one page to find the letters. So A is not a root letter, B is not a root letter, K is not, D is not, E is not, F is not. G, look here, it's touching the fourth line. So it is a root letter. So I have picked one and I'm going to write it here. Now you can clearly see that it is touching the brown line. So it is a root letter. H is not touching the fourth line. It's not a root letter. E is not. J, look here. It is touching the fourth line. So J is a root letter. So I'm going to write it here. And it's very clear that it is touching the brown line. K is not a root letter. L is not. M is not. N is not. O is not. O is. Yes, it is a root letter. Why? Because it is touching the fourth line. So I'm going to write here and we can clearly see that it is touching the brown line. Qua is also a root letter because it is also touching the fourth line. So we found another one. R is not. S is not. T is not. Is not. No. And yeah, look here. We can clearly see that it is touching the fourth line. So I'm going to write it here in the line and it is done. Z is not a root letter. So we have found all the root letters. Let's count how many root letters are these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 root letters. We have 5 small case letters that are touching the fourth line and that are the root letters. So I hope you enjoyed and I hope you learned what are the root letters, what are the sky letters, what are the grass letters to do. Thank you so much for watching my video. See you soon.